you towards the university's approved and integrated desktop recording solution. I talked about how I use QuickTime in a previous one, but that's not available to everyone, and it's not as integrated with our lecture capture system. Replay, which is our branded name for a piece of a system and some software called Mediasite, is what you want to look at, and I'll link to the university's help pages on that in the description. And there's a desktop recorder which you can download for Windows and Mac machines. I've made the horrible mistake of upgrading my Mac to, what is it, Catalina, which has stopped 32-bit software working on Macs. I can't use desktop recorder or show it to you here, which is why I'm using QuickTime for my personal stuff. But this is much more integrated. This is the software that, or the system that records our in-person lectures with the lovely red light on the lecterns, and it's what I'd recommend if you want an approved and supported way of doing pre-recorded stuff like this for students to use. If you want to do stuff live, then Blackboard Collaborate is a really good solution, and I'm also going to pop a little video up about bringing replay captured lectures forward from last year into your current Blackboard course, so take a look at the playlist for that as well. I am not an expert on this. The DEO are, and I'll put a link to this page, which is a good start for getting to grips with it, in the video description. Thanks.